Tesla headlight assembly swap.
You're probably going to have an issue with these running lights right here. This little LED strip tends to burn out. Tesla wants $1,000 for a new one to replace it, or you can get one on eBay for about $200 and do it yourself. I'll show you how. All right, so you jack the car up, whatever side you want. You got 4 bolts. They're 10 millimeter. Take those out. See, that's a good working light. It's kind of hard to tell, but that one's burnt out. It's turning yellow right there. It's just going away. Versus a good. All right, you want to take these push clips out. It helps to have a little tool like this. Pull these out. There's 6 of these. Pull all these out. When you have all those bottom clips out, go ahead and let the car down. Shouldn't be hard. All right, now you want to lift the frunk up. We're about to take these plastic trim pieces off. They just pull off. This little rubber grommet style thing, you just pull that through. All right, you have this little bolt on each side of the fender. You're going to need to take that out. To get that little bolt out, you're going to need a T27. It's like a star bit. Looks like this. Now you just want to kind of wiggle on this till it pops out like that. Other side, same way. Pops out. You got 4 bolts in the front here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean 4. Sorry. All right, you want to pull on this until it kind of pops away from the light. Like that. All right, there you go. So then you just want to slowly kind of work it down like that. This side's got a wiring harness, so be careful. Slowly put it down. Now you can have access to the light. All right, so you're going to have a bolt here. You're going to have a bolt here. And you're going to have a bolt right in there. And a bolt right down there, so 4. You're going to want to pull this little guy out of the way a little bit, and then this guy just lifts up and over that lip, and then this light just pulls out, and then unplug it from the back, pull it all the way out. There's the old light. There's the new $200 eBay light. Let's put it in. New headlight popped in. I'm going to reverse order of taking it out, and we'll test it out. So you just want to pop this back in the same way it came out. You just push it and it clicks, and then put your bolts back in. And there we go. She is ready. No burnout. They match now. Looking good. Yo. Let me tell you, I'm not a mechanic by any means. I just didn't feel like paying $1,000 to get a light switched out from Tesla. That's it. Later. Peace.